broken above it, which tells me that we could be heading a little bit higher on US crude. So we could head probably as high as 88. So let's keep an eye on that. Can we get to 88 and consolidate a much higher? We'll have to wait and see.
Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Welcome back to Bull and Bear Hunter. Today we're going to have a look at the price of US crude oil, London gas and natural gas. So we're going to see where they've all traded over the previous week and where they could be heading over the coming week. So we're going to start with US crude oil. So we are looking at the monthly view. So on the month so far, oil US crude is actually up. So let's go into the daily. So on the daily, there was a line that we was watching, and I've been sort of reporting on, and that line was the 67. And as you can see, we've come to that area here, and we've bounced away, and we've started heading much higher. However, there's also a rising trend line, okay, that we broke below. We got to it, and it looks like we consolidated, okay. So we're trading just on that line, consolidated, and now we've broken above it, which tells me that we could be heading a little bit higher on US crude. So we could head probably as high as 88. So let's keep an eye on that. Can we get to 88 and consolidate a much higher? We'll have to wait and see. But that's positive for US crude oil. But as you can see, that was the zone we was watching as it was coming down, and it hit that zone and it's now bounced up. Okay, so now let's go into London gas oil. So as you can see on London gas oil, for the month, it's again positive, so it's green, just like the US crude oil. So let's go into the daily and have a closer look. Again, very similar to the US crude oil. We've got this rising trend line, okay, it's from January. So we've touched here, and it's been a support, and we've come here, come back in, touched it, and we've bounced off it, and now heading a lot higher. The other thing we've done, we've actually broken above this parallel trend line that we've had in place. We've now broken above it. Where is it heading next? The 1,223 would be your next target, where you will encounter some resistance, and will it break above it? We'll have to wait and see. I suspect it will get there. We'll back away a little bit, consolidate, and maybe head higher. If it doesn't, if it gets there and it can't break above it, then we know it can come back in, and our next support will be like the 1,100. Okay, so now let's have a quick look at the natural gas price. So natural gas on the month is actually down, okay, as you can see. But if I just zoom in a little bit, okay, so we can see this green candle, which is from May. So in May we had a green candle, okay, in June the red candle, and so far in July we've got this red candle. However, this green candle, okay, is still in play because we haven't closed below it. So as long as we don't close below this green candle, it will be quite positive for natural gas. So if we don't close below it on the month and we stay within its body and maybe even higher, then it will be quite positive for natural gas. The other thing that I'm watching is the number of red candles you have before it turns. So on this occasion, so you can see 1, 2, 3, and then green. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I mean, obviously that's green, but it was still going down. So I'm going to count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then green. Okay, this one's 1, 2, maybe another red, maybe, and then green. But then you also have to watch the time of the year. Normally in August, natural gas tends to pick up August, September, so it could be close to a bounce. So let's go to the daily. So one thing I have noticed on the daily is potentially a reversed head and shoulder. So we've got the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, and if that plays out, natural gas could potentially head to that 4,365 area. Okay, so it could end up around this zone here if it plays out. However, if it doesn't, it could make its way back down to that 2,492, which is the previous low that we had back in April. Okay, so that will conclude the chart for natural gas. If you like the video, if you can like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification to be notified of our latest video, and all is left to say is thank you for watching, and goodbye for now.